If you've been watching this channel, you know we like knots, because knots are as important to fishing as water is to making ice. Seriously. In this episode, we're going to discuss the Uni Knot, where it came from, what it's used for, and how to tie it. And if you stick around to the end, we'll let you in on a little secret, because everybody likes secrets. So grab your notebooks and writing utensils, pull up a chair, because we're getting started right now. Hey you, this is me, A.D. Ross with Novi Outdoors, where we provide tips, tactics, and techniques for beginners to make waves, blaze new trails, and become more efficient in the great outdoors. If you're new here, welcome. If you're returning, welcome back. So, the Uni Knot. Originally published in 1944 as the gallows knot, it was later developed by a man named Norman Ducan, who turned it into what's called the Duncan Loop back in the 1960s. Later, it was popularized as the Uni Knot by Vic Dunaway, who was an editor for Miami Herald in a 1970s fishing book. While we still in America here call it a Uni Knot, our friends across the pond in the UK call it the Grinner's Knot. That's a lot of names. So anyway, here's how it's done. All right, so we got our cordage out here again. So here we go, we're going to unravel some of this cordage here. Now this is going to work for any type of line you're going to use, all right? So what we're going to do is we're going to create a bite, all right? And then we're going to take the tag end and we're going to wrap it back and create a loop. So you see how that looks? You're going to pinch these two ends and then you're going to create 3 wraps around both of these strands. 1, 2, and 3. Now you're going to take this tag in and you're going to go ahead and pull it to secure that knot. All right. Now I'm taking my standing end and I'm able to move that knot down to the loop. Now this would secure to your hook and it would keep that in place just like that. Now to move it back, you just grab a hold of the knot and you're going to pull the standing end and you're going to pull it back out. But that is how you create the Uni Knot. Remember how I told you I had a secret for you at the end of the video? Well, here we are. Now that I'm confident in your abilities to tie the Uni Knot, you unknowingly learned how to tie a slip knot. Yeah, no, really. Not a slip knot like the band, a slip knot. You know, the one that, they call it a slip knot because you can run it back and forth. It slips, right? And it's a knot, okay. Just so we got that cleared up. If you enjoyed the content depicted in this video, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and don't forget to hit that little ring-a-ding bell thing there at the bottom in the corner so you're notified every time we pop out one of these new little videos here, all right? Again, I'm A.D. Ross with Novi Outdoors. It's been a pleasure having you here today and we look forward to seeing you again soon.